guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adalia and today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to prepare for nursing school. So maybe you are a high school graduate getting ready to start nursing school, or you might still be taking your prerequisite classes, or you might have just gotten into nursing school. I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to successfully transition into your journey of nursing school. So the first thing I get asked a lot are, what books can I buy or what materials can I use to study before nursing school to get a leg up before the first day? Now, I personally wouldn't recommend trying to study before nursing school. I really don't think it's possible to prepare yourself. But once you get to nursing school, they're very specific and clear about what they expect from you. So I would just wait for your first day to figure out what study materials are best for you to use. Instead, I would just recommend really enjoying your freedom and spending as much time as you can with your friends and family and really taking advantage of those 8 hours of sleep you're getting. My second tip is to figure out how you study best. So I would recommend figuring out what kind of learner you are. Are you a visual learner? Are you an audio learner? For me, I like a combination of both, which is why I record lectures and then I also go through PowerPoints when I study. I have a full in-depth video about how I study in nursing school. I'll leave it down below. But I think it's really important to figure out how you retain information best. But studying in nursing school can't be this whimsical thing. It has to be very systematic, and I think it's a great idea to figure out what kind of learner you are early on. My third tip is to form good habits and try to break bad ones. You don't want to wait till you get to nursing school to stop procrastinating. I know, I'm guilty of being a procrastinator sometimes too. But we want to break those bad habits. So I would work on developing good habits like being organized, keeping a clean space, making it to things on time, whether it's dinner with your friends or making it to work. Just make sure that you're being punctual. Meal prepping, money management. Try to get things in order and develop that discipline to the point where it's habit forming. So once you get to nursing school, you'll have this more disciplined lifestyle and it won't be so hard to transition. My fourth tip is to clearly identify your support system. Now, with this, I mean physically write down all the people you feel like are in your support group. Whether it's your dog, your mom, your boyfriend, have those names written down so you can see them. That way, you can visually see all the people that are rooting for you. You'll know who to call when you need some motivation. And if you don't feel like you're well supported, I would be more than happy to support you guys. I'll leave my email and my Instagram down below. Please DM me or email me if you want to talk, if you want to vent. I know how hard it can be, and without a support system, it's really difficult. So I really want you guys to know that I'll be here for you. Speaking of your support system, make sure to sit them down and let them know just how time-consuming this journey you're about to embark on will be. You're not going to be as available. Make sure that they'll understand that. I personally took my grandparents out to breakfast and I physically showed them what my schedule looked like, and I was like, listen, from this time to this time I cannot receive any phone calls. I need to be studying between these times. So be very clear about the fact that you're going to be busy and that you won't be as available as everyone is used to you being. My fifth tip is to create a network of nurses on your social media. So I would say if you're on Instagram, you follow your favorite nurse accounts. If you're on YouTube, make sure you follow your favorite nurse YouTuber, and this will keep you inspired and motivated, and it will make your goals seem more achievable. Being able to see nursing on display via social media will just make you see what you're working so hard to get to. Next tip is for those of you that have gotten into nursing school already, reach out to the alumni. Usually schools have a Facebook group, so log in and see if you can find any alumni that way, or you can even contact your school's advisor or your dean and ask them for the contact information of some of the alumni, and you can ask them for some tips and advice on how to be successful in the program, what they did that worked for them. And my last tip is just to believe in yourself. You made it this far for a reason, so don't you dare doubt yourself. I'm wishing you all good luck. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.